Welcome back everyone to my page Diabetes Score by Dr. R. Khan. So as I have mentioned before in my introductory videos that I will be talking about the latest research going on with diabetes. So I will talk about that today. Recently I have published a research article in which I have given an opinion that spectroscopy might help in diagnosis of diabetes mellitus. So basically why diagnosis is really important. So to prove that, let me just give you some facts and figures related to diabetes, that how much severe it is right now at the moment around the world and how many people are suffering from it. So according to International Diabetes Federation in 2015, 415 million of adults age ranging from 20 to 79 years were suffering from diabetes. And amongst all of them, 193 million of people remained undiagnosed. So that's how it is being estimated that 642 million people will be suffering from diabetes in 2040. So this is really a pretty large amount of individuals suffering from diabetes. So how to control it, how to prevent it? The very first method is to diagnose it. And to diagnose any kind of disease, first of all, we look towards the chemical and the physical pathways, pathological pathways, which are happening underlying the disease. So what are those molecular chemical pathways, and what does that indicate? Basically, we study the proteins, the DNAs, the RNAs, the metabolites, and many more minute molecules to understand the pathology of the disease. So as I mentioned in my article, the potential scope of vibrational spectroscopy in gestational diabetes mellitus, as the title indicates, it has three parts of it: spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy. It is a type of spectroscopy in which we study the chemical bonds in the molecules so that we get to know about their functional groups, and we identify those functional groups in the form of peaks. And when we'll get those peaks, we'll identify that and then we'll compare it from the healthy patients, and then that's how we can get to know about the disease. The second thing which I have discussed is about the gestational diabetes mellitus, which is actually happening in pregnant women, and in my later videos I will talk about the types of diabetes, so it will be more clear that how does it goes. In gestational diabetes mellitus, pregnant women can suffer from diabetes and then they can continue throughout their life to have diabetes, or they can not have the diabetes, and then children can have the diabetes at birth, or they cannot have the diabetes at birth. So this is a really complex kind of every type is anyways very much complex. So that is how I wanted to explore the spectroscopy field in the disease gestational diabetes mellitus. There is not much research which is being going on with this technique, so people can explore it, and I would also like to explore it. And I would say that there are like many diagnostic methods which are present, which I have also mentioned in my research article, and you can follow the link below and see it, that how does it goes. And I hope this could be of some help. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope this could be of some help, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.